Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel, and thank you for clicking on this video. And today I have just undone my hair. As you can see, it's looking very dry and it needs some love. And what I've decided to do this time around is to do a hot oil treatment to see how that will work for dry hair. I have never tried it, but I'm going to do it today. So I have with me the oils that you can see here. I hope you can remember the tea tree oil from last time. And so I am this jojoba oil is going to be my carrier oil, because mostly you're advised not to use tea tree oil directly on its own. It needs another oil. So I'm going to use more of the carrier oil and just a bit of the tea tree oil. I did not have exact measurements, but I made sure to use just a bit of the tea tree oil, because I had told you guys I want to work on the dandruff situation that is happening to my hair. And so I just had some castor oil as well, and I decided to also add a bit of that, because also it's usually a bit thick, so it needs a carrier oil as well. Yeah, so I am just going to transfer this oil into the empty bottle, then get some hot water and put it in there, and then I can start using it on the hair.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So the method I had seen on YouTube to follow as a hot oil treatment was where you put oil directly into your hair, into clean hair that is not clean. And that is what I was doing right here. I had just undone my hair, and as you've seen, mixed the oils, and now I was putting it on the hair to feel how that was going to work. So the method I was using recommended that I use a conditioner right after applying the oil, and that is what I'm doing right there. I am using the Dark and Lovely Au Natural Not Out detangling conditioner. That is what I had in hand, and this is what I am using right there. So hi guys, so as you've seen, I'm trying the hot oil treatment on my hair before I wash it. And as you've seen, on this part of the hair, I have started with oil and then the detangling conditioner, but I have still felt like my hair is still very dry, and I have felt I need to use warm water in a bottle first before I use the oil, and then leave out the not out conditioner, because I don't know, I did not want to use water, but it feels very dry and detangling is a bit difficult, so I've decided I'll use water, warm water, and then the oil, instead of using the oil and then the not out detangling conditioner. So as you can see on this part, I've used warm water first and the oil in this part as well, but this one still feels very dry, and I'm down to almost the last part of the hair, and I must say I've really enjoyed this like hot oil treatment, although I've not yet put a shower cap on. The way I am just able to comb through my hair, thumbs up. So I wanted to tell you guys about this first part of the hair that I started with oil instead of water, and I feel like it's still struggling even now. It's feeling a bit dry, so I wanted to redo it. And I must say it's a bit difficult to comb through this part, unlike the parts where I have used water and oil. And you can tell the struggle. It's not like that in the other part. It's so much easier. I have never enjoyed a detangling process like I have today. Today was so good. The oil is a win. Also, I think using oil is leaving the hair feeling stronger in a way, because I read somewhere that too much water also, like if you use just water and too much water, it will lead to your hair having I think it's called hydro fatigue, and your hair becomes really weak. Like now just doing this makes me feel the difference in the way I have been detangling hair, because usually I just used to use first I used to use water before, just water, then I started mixing water with conditioner, but combing through the hair I could feel it's weak, like it used to, what is it called? Kukatika. What is it called in English? It used to break. Yeah. It used to break a lot. Like you could just feel your hair is not okay. Like, yeah. So I would recommend the hot oil treatment. I just can't believe just how easy I am detangling this hair. It's amazing. But also you have to make sure you're using the right oils that work with your hair, because then you will not be doing your hair a lot of good. If, for example, like for me, I know coconut oil just will not work. It makes my hair so hard. So yeah, make sure you're using the right oils. and I think this is a good way to detangle the hair. Also, I did not want to keep it overnight. I know you can keep it overnight, but I didn't want to risk leaving it overnight. I felt maybe the oils might be stuck there for too long, and I don't want to risk that. This is the last part, so I'm just spraying some warm water. This is the oil that is left. I think when I've finally cleaned the hair, this is the same mixture that I'm going to use when doing my hair, after using the leave-in conditioner. So first I am rubbing that in on my scalp, because as you saw, I have also added pepper. What is it called? One minute. This is what I'm trying to say. Tea tree oil. I wanted to say peppermint, but it's tea tree oil. Yeah, because I told you guys I have a dandruff problem. So I want to see if it's going to help. So I'm then coming in with the wide part of this comb, just trying to detangle a bit more. Then, so do you see what I'm talking about? Like the struggle on this part, that I did not use water first, and this one. Just how easily the comb is going through. I mean, I'm gonna be doing this more often, but crossing my fingers that this oil is not going to make my hair extra, because you know it's a tricky balance. Like you could just end up using too much oil. But I hope it's going to work this time, because I am going to the salon. I'll keep this for like an hour or two, then go to the salon and have this hair cleaned. See, I told you guys I'm also having trouble cleaning my hair thoroughly, so I need help, and that is why I will be going to the salon to clean this out. Then I will come and we'll come back and decide on how I'm going to style the hair. Yep. So I am done detangling. I'm just going to dab in a bit of that oil on the scalp. Okay, I hope this tea tree oil is going to sort my dandruff issues. So I'm going to get my shower cap, put it on, and tie something on top. Then I'll leave it for like 1-2 hours, or maybe 3. Then go to the salon. I'm going to use an old top. So guys, I've forgotten to show you the amount of hair I have lost. I don't know whether it's too much or it's okay to lose this much hair, but I don't think it's too much. I mean, I have a lot of hair, which I love and appreciate. And I had kept this style for... I have kept the 2-strand twists for 5 weeks.